Hello, good morning, students. Today I am going to solve some different questions of the different chapters. Here, you know that question number one. You know that age square matrix. Age square matrix. A dash is equal to 1. Can write the value of determinant of A. Can you find the value of determinant of A? How can you solve this question? If A is the square matrix satisfying the relation A dash A is equal to 1, write the value of A. You know that taking determinant of both sides, A dash is equal to determinant of I. You can say determinant of A dash determinant of A property according to the property, and the determinant of I, that is 1. And according to the property, you know very well, determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. This is the property. So here you can write determinant of A into determinant of A, that is 1. Determinant of A to the power is equal to 1, therefore you can say the determinant of A is plus minus 1. Yeah, this is one more question. Clear? And the second question. ये बोर्ड क्वेश्चन है जो तुम्हें मैं करवा रहा हूँ. Previous year's papers questions. Question number second. Y is equal to x mod x. Find dy by dx for x less than 0. You know that x less than 0. You know very well mod of x, that is x if x greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x less than 0. So x less than 0, it means you can put here minus x minus x into x, that is minus x square. Clear? And the dy by dx, that is minus 2x. This is answer. One mark question. Previous year's paper, that is 2019. Very important questions. The next question is, now can you tell me, find the direction cosine of a line. Find the direction cosine of a line which makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. Which makes equal angle with the coordinate axis. You know that in this question number third, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. Therefore, you can say cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus, this is the property, cos square gamma is equal to 1. And you know that in this question alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, therefore you can say that is thrice cos square alpha is equal to 1. Therefore cos square alpha is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore cos alpha is equal to plus minus 1 by root 3. Therefore the answer of this question is plus minus 1 by root 3, plus minus 1 by root 3, plus minus 1 by root 3. This is the answer. One more question. Clear? The next question. Now, can you tell me? Can you tell me the integration? Integration of 3 minus 2x minus x square dx. Now, you know that the coefficient of x 2 and the half of 2 is 1. So, add and subtract 1. Add and subtract 1 here. Minus 2x minus x square dx. You know that 3 plus 1, that is 4. 4 is the square of 2. And when you take common from this and this, that become x plus 1 whole square. Now can you tell me the formula? Formula of integration root a square minus x square dx, that is x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. According to that formula, I can say x plus 1 by 2 square root of this complete as it is. In this place, you can write this, because you know that when you simplify this, you will get this 3 minus 2x minus x square plus a square by 2. A square is 4 here. 4 by 2, that is 2 sin inverse x plus 1 by 2. This is the answer. One more question. Clear? Now, you know that next question. Question number 5. Can you solve this question? Determinant of A is equal to 2 and the determinant of modulus of B, that is 7. A cross B is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 6 k cap. Then find the angle between A and B. Then find the angle between A and B. This is the question. Find the angle between A and B. You know very well the formula. You know very well formula sin theta is equal to magnitude of A cross B divided by magnitude of A and the magnitude of B. Magnitude of A cross B you can find with the help of this. 3 square 9, 2 square 4 plus 36. Magnitude of A is given 2 and the magnitude of 7 is given 7. That is 7 by 14, that is 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 in the form of sine, that is value sine pi by 6. Therefore theta is pi by 6. Theta is pi by 6. This is the right answer. Clear? This is one more question. Correct? Next question. That is the homework for you. Homework. Integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Prove that this property, and with the help of this property solve this question. 0 to pi by 2 x upon sin x plus cos x dx. Firstly prove this property. And after that solve this question. Clear? This is your homework. And the answer of this question. That is pi by 2 root 2. Pi by 2 root 2 log root 2 plus 1. This is the answer of this question. Firstly, prove this property. After that, solve this question. Okay, students. Thank you.